The GemLightbox has two main shooting angles. The first shooting angle is through the front of the GemLightbox, and the second shooting angle is through the top of the GemLightbox. The front angle is suitable for most objects which you place in the center of the GemLightbox. Simply put the reflector on, put your smartphone in front, zoom in, tap to focus, brighten up on a complete white background, and capture. The top shooting angle captures a bird's eye view. Simply place the smartphone on the top. We can move the ring to the center. And again, tap to focus, brighten up as required, and capture. The top angle is also very useful for social media videos. What we are seeing is a lot of popularity on videos which show the ring from a bird's eye view swaying from side to side. Right, left. We can also zoom in to capture more details.